Hello and welcome to my channel. This is my first video on making my own personal website on the indie web using StrawPage. StrawPage is a free drag and drop website maker that you can use on pretty much any device. I'm actually using my school laptop for this project currently. So you truly can use any device that you want. This is what my website looks like currently. I've added a bunch of blinkies, stamps, and an info page, an art page, and a blog page that I'll be working on part 2 of this series. I am using the 32-bit cafe resources page that has a ton of links to websites that you can use for your own website project. It includes free and paid website hosting sites, a bunch of HTML coding tutorials, and just website hosting tutorials in general. It also has different resources and additions that you can add onto your website, also using HTML. Unfortunately, StrawPage, as much as it is free, it only allows HTML with the paid version, and I'm a broke girly, so I will not be using that, unfortunately, even though it would be cool, as it does add a ton of more customization options and a ton of different add-ons that I could put onto the website. I can't, unfortunately, because I don't have the paid version. But StrawPage is still a good option to use if you would like to make your own website for the indie web. Here I am adding a simple comment, widget, link, whatever, to my site. It's using comment with a K, and with comment you can add a widget using HTML to your site. Like I said earlier, I don't have access to the HTML portion of StrawPage, but you can still add links into it, so I will be using that. And with comment, people can comment on your page, and every comment is manually filtered by you, and you can pick and choose what comments you want to be displayed or what comments you want to leave out. You can add your own comments, and there can be a little description of like what's allowed and what's not on your comments. I put a no profanity, no NSFW, and just be kind, all of that stuff. The basic kind of rule template for pretty much any comment section. Here I am just adding the link to my website. It's really, really easy. All you have to do is just press a couple of buttons and you are pretty much ready to go. Like I said earlier, Straw Page is a drag and drop uh, site maker, which pretty much means that all you really have to do is just drag and drop different elements that you would like to add, like text, images, GIFs, stickers, whatever you want. You can even add music, and because of its really simple and easy to navigate interface, I prefer to use it mostly for this project as this is my first site. So if you are also a beginner like me, I recommend using Straw Page. I plan on adding information about my OCs, as this website is mainly for my art and just a personal site for me that I can post my feelings, my art, and I can interact with other people as well. That is my main goal for creating this website, is to get people to view and interact with my art, as well as the story that I have for my OCs, the world that they're in, and just things like that. As you can see here, I'm adding my own comment to my comment page. It's very easy to use and add your own comments. So if you are planning to add it to your page, then your community will find it very, very easy, hopefully, to add their own comments. Um, all you really have to do is just add the link or add a widget for it. Um, yeah, it's really easy. Like I said earlier, you have to manually review every comment that is being added to the page before it gets displayed. So, comment will email it to you, and you can choose whether or not you would like it to be displayed or if you would like it to be left out. I find this um, feature really, really helpful because people can be really nasty sometimes, and it just adds a little extra security and peace of mind in knowing that every comment that's displayed, is positive and doesn't have anything bad on it. Here I am just going back to my site and testing out if the comment section works. Um, I think that it looks good. Um, I'm not quite sure how to implement it into the site using Straw Page. If anyone knows how to do that, please let me know. My contact information will be in the description, as well as all the links to the resources that I used in this video. This project has been ongoing for a few months. I only regained interest and motivation in continuing it by a video that I saw from the channel Onion Boots. I hope I'm saying that correctly. Don't know if it's pronounced a certain way, but I highly recommend that you go check out his channel and his own website. That is pretty cool, I can't lie. His video talks more about the indie web specifically and what it is and resources that can get you into starting it. Um, I will also link his video in the description as well if you would like to check that out. This video was mainly focused on my own process and journey of making a website for the personal web. I hope that so far you have enjoyed it, and I hope that this video also gets you inspired and interested in creating your own website. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you had made it this far and you enjoyed it, make sure to like and subscribe. I am not giving YouTube my ID, so unfortunately you can't comment, but if you do have any suggestions or if you just like to reach out, my email will be in the description, as well as resources to and links to other websites that you can use and my own website. Thank you so much for checking this video out, and I hope you have a wonderful, wonderful day.